Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a unique smartwatch from Kospet and it's the Kospet Optimus 2. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features. So starting with the unboxing, we have a simple looking box with the Kospet branding and the tagline, the watch you want. At the back we have the specifications such as you get the Android 10.7 in this watch, 2 processors, Helio P22 and a lower powered PAR2822. We get the 1260 mAh battery, 1.6 inch 400 by 400 pixel screen, 13 megapixel camera, ceramic bezels, and it comes with the 4G LTE support. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the smartwatch itself, and also guys, we got this charging dock and it has a 1000 mAh battery which I will show you in a moment. Now the first impression about this smartwatch is that it's a bit bulky but feels solid on the other hand. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the documentation which includes a thank you card, and here we have the user guide, and this includes all the features and how to use this smartwatch. Then in the box we have the screen protector, and here we have this accessory box, and this includes a micro USB cable for charging dock, a regular charging cable which is magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. And then we get this mini screwdriver to open the SIM tray. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Kospet Optimus 2 is a premium smartwatch, and as the name suggests, it is inspired by the movie Transformers. The model Optimus 2 feels well built and has this bulky design. And as mentioned earlier, the build quality of the smartwatch feels solid and I really find it pretty good. In terms of the overview and specifications, in the front we have the 1.6 inch IPS display which has a resolution of 400 by 400 pixel. You get the ceramic bezels in the smartwatch, and on the right side we have these 2 buttons to wake up the watch and the back button. On the left we have the SIM tray, and at the back we have the heart rate sensor along with the SpO2 sensor. You also get the charging points here at the back. The 22mm TPU straps offers good quality, and you can also replace these straps easily. Now the best thing about this smartwatch, or you can say it's USP, and that is this 13 megapixel rotatable camera. You get the Sony IMX214 sensor which can shoot videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, and there is also a LED flashlight next to the camera. Now in terms of the hardware specification, there are 2 processors in this smartwatch, Helio P22 and a low powered Bluetooth chip. You get 64GB storage along with the 4GB RAM, Android 10.7, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS and Baidu support, and also we have the 4G LTE support. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So the watch is on, and here we have the initial setup process. Now let me show you different watch features. So guys, one thing I should tell you here, that you can use this smartwatch as a standalone 4G watch or connect it with your phone to get the notifications. So here we have the app GoFit, and in order to pair it, we just need to go to the add device section and scan the QR code. And here we have our Optimus 2 connected with our phone. Now let's go through the menu of the watch first. So first we have the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces, and also there are a lot of options available through the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth settings. When you swipe left on the quick settings, you can choose between the regular or the light mode. And guys, in the light mode, you get the basic features in this smartwatch. Then we have the optimization, which will optimize the smartwatch and clean up the background apps. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the fitness data, and this will show you the current day's step count and also some historical data. Swiping right from the left side will show you the notification history. And to access the main menu, you need to swipe left from the right side. And guys, I must tell you that the touch response of this smartwatch is amazing. There is no lag and stutter while going through different pages. So looking at the menu first, we have the phone by which you can make a phone call using the SIM on your smartwatch. And then we have the contacts, SMS menu, and then we have the settings. The settings of this smartwatch are similar what we usually see in an Android smartwatch. And here we have network, Bluetooth, display, battery and other settings. In terms of the storage, you get the 64 GB, out of which 55 GB is available. And here we can see that this smartwatch comes with the Android 10.7 with the April 2020 security patch. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the heart rate, and guys, this smartwatch does support continuous heart rate monitoring, and the data is also accurate. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is also pretty accurate and fast. Then in the menu we have the breathing exercises, which will help you to calm yourself down. After that we have the browser, which by the way you can use it to surf the internet like a normal browser, and here as well the touch response is very good. Then in the menu we have the camera, and guys, talking about the camera quality, the 13 megapixel camera on this smartwatch can click some decent pictures, but do not expect it to be that good. You get the average output, and also when you rotate the camera, the selfie camera seems pretty zoomed in, and I wish it had a wide angle camera. Nonetheless, it's pretty good to have the camera on this smartwatch. And talking about the video, here is a video sample at 1080p 30 frames per second. One more thing worth mentioning, that you get the flashlight support in the normal mode, and in the selfie mode, the LED flashlight doesn't work. Now coming back to the menu, after that we have the gallery to see the images and videos you have clicked. And then we have the calendar, alarm, and the music menu. In the music menu, you can play the music stored in your watch. You can listen to the music through the speakers or connect a Bluetooth device. After that we have the recorder, which lets you record the sound. And then we have the file manager, and after that we have the weather. And for some reason, the weather was not working and it wasn't showing us the current weather. And then in the menu we have the fitness, and guys, in this smartwatch, you get 31 sports modes, which is again very good. After that in the menu, we have the desktop setting, by which you can change the watch face and also the menu style. You can choose between pages, and this Apple look like menu style. After that we have Google, which lets you use Google search with voice. How's the weather?
It's 17 degrees and cloudy in Ghaziabad.
Then in the menu we have the Play Store. Yes, it's an actual Google Play Store, and here in this you can download the apps on the watch, be it games, utility apps and so on. And guys, I have downloaded a few games on this watch, including the BGMI, and even though you can't play the games properly, it's fascinating to see that you can install the games on this watch. Apart from the games, we have also downloaded Amazon Prime Video, and we were able to stream content without any issue. Then in the menu we have the Google Maps, and it's a full-fledged maps with voice guidance. After that we have few optimization options, which includes a screen lock and a face lock. Then in the menu we have the watch face store, which you can also access through the app, and guys, I find these watch faces pretty good and you get plenty of options. After that we have the App Store, which has these basic apps including WhatsApp and Facebook. Then in the menu we have the Assistant, by which you can use basic Find Phone option, remote camera shutter, and the music control for your phone. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch, and to be honest, this is the first smartwatch I have tested in 2021, which offers a lot of features and options. You can use it as an Android smartwatch and insert a SIM card, or switch to light mode and use it as a basic watch. The battery backup is good, and we were able to get 1 day battery backup in the Android mode and approximately 3 days battery backup in the light mode, which is also decent. Now let's talk about the companion app GoFit. So the companion app GoFit offers some basic details, and here you can access historical fitness data as well as access the watch face store, which is same as the watch face store you get in the watch itself. So that's all the features we have on the smartwatch and in the app. So you must be thinking, is this a practical smartwatch? Apart from its bulky and big design, I really find this smartwatch very good. The hardware is good, and specs wise, you get a decent package. The smartwatch looks good on the wrist, but I wish it was not that bulky. And to be honest, I couldn't even sleep once wearing this smartwatch. But again, it's definitely eye-catchy. People notice the watch in your hand, and the camera in the front looks advanced and gives this watch a unique and Transformers-like look. So if you're looking for something unique and like big and bulky watches, then you will find this smartwatch from Kospet very good. There are no complaints in the hardware and the fitness data is also very accurate. The speaker output is decent and the mic clarity is also good. And during our testing, we took some calls with it and the performance was decent. So to sum it up, Kospet Optimus 2 is a unique looking smartwatch which doesn't only look stylish but offers a lot of features. And guys, if you like this smartwatch and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Kospet Optimus 2 smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.